In today's video, I will talk about how you can earn more silver and what is the good strategy for leveling your pets inside My Defi Pet, and of course, what is a good cage to buy when you're just starting out. Because I'm you must admit I must admit that Barbaria cage can store only 1,000. It's really small. So I'm going to show everything to you right now so that you won't get uh, so you will maximize the results that you can get for a minimum amount of time. And just take note that the gathering magic is going to happen in the next 4 days and 16 hours, so we do have a lot of time to grind. So um, what we should do here first, of course, is if you're just starting out with 3 to 6 pets, just buy one Barbaria and then save your silver so that you can buy a higher cage. Okay, I recommend, if it is available, buy one Barbaria and an insect. Okay, I think when you I think you can buy one Barbaria, one Fiend, if you can't buy insect yet, and then one buy an insect, and then the next few cages that you will buy, you need to buy it by Wyvern, because 8,000 is the storing capacity of Wyvern. Barbarian is a thousand silver, and it's really fast to fill up. Fan cage is around 2,000. Insect cage is around 5,000. So if you're maximizing your profits into the game, probably if you're using a cheaper cage, you can't really go out for long. So probably you need to play it a little bit more longer than everyone, because um, your cage silver coins are quickly to fill up. So you need to take note of that, because here I have 8,000 coins to store. If I wake up tomorrow and I get 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, and I'm going to get 8,000 on this one. So it gives me a lot more power to be AFK. So that is away from keyboard. And if you're also playing, if you want to play other play to earn games as well, and if you are working, then probably it won't take a lot of time for you. The next thing that I want to talk about here is, of course, the leveling guide. A lot of people are pretty much being impatient on the terms of breeding side. However, we all know that breeding will come for the next few days to come. So for you to be able to get silver faster, okay, when you're leveling up a cage, okay, make sure that you don't miss out anything. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my next one to level up. So as you can see here, I can level this one up. Okay, so make sure that you need to if this one is level 7, make sure that the other pets are level 7 too. You don't actually want something like you are speed leveling this one and then you are lefting out the other pets as well, because you are also farming. And the faster you can level up, the more silvers um, you can mine, so you can get. And of course, when you're leveling up, and if you have a higher level, you're just going to get an extra 80. However, if you are able to mine and able to focus on other pets as well, and you've managed to level them up to level 7 and level 8, and all of them are level 8, it gives more silver rate rather than trying to level up to 10 each pet, because it's gonna take you some time as well. And of course, the multiplier that you can get for leveling up easily this kind of pets is a lot more higher. So um, that's the thing here. Of course, when you're mining as well, make sure that you know this one. Okay, if you are pretty much not that patient on clicking this one right here, you can just harvest it all later on. And then what you could do is, of course, if you do have a separate screen, okay, you can probably put this one right here, okay. So let's say you're working or you're doing something, okay, you can just let this game idle into another screen as well, and it's still going to work. So that is it. So for the silver part, for the cans, I think I've explained this enough. For the pets, don't really mind if if you're getting like uh, a really not that good pet. Just focus on leveling this one, do making some food, um, creating more farm, more cages. So as you level up, um, you save around maybe 15,000 for wyvern, and then just buy it first, okay, before pets, because like currently here I do have around um 24 pets currently, and I wasn't able to put everything here. So that is why it's really important as well for me to put cages first before anything else. So that is it for this video. The developers didn't still um, tell us how you can make money as of now into playing My Defi Pet. But of course, if you do have a head advantage, it will be easier for you to make more money in terms of maybe on PvP or breeding. It is because you are playing this on the beta run as well. So not only that you get some rare skins, okay, you also get a head start, and probably you can do PvP battles in the future, and of course you will probably win because you have a good pet and you already level it up, not unlike the other people who are just waiting for it for it to be monetized already before they will join a game. Because you will still do this one, okay, you will still build a cage, you will still breed a pet, you will still farm, you will still feed some pets. So um, that's the thing here, okay? You're getting a head start, and um, of course, if you lack some space here, you can always put your farms right here. So it's really going to be easy, and that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. I'm pretty much enjoying my DeFi pet right now, and of course, I'm really excited on how this game will happen. What kind of meta, what kind of build should I do, what kind of really good pets to breed, and so on and so forth. So if you like this video, guys, please do subscribe into my YouTube channel. Okay, again, it is Crypto Addict here. And if you like this guide as well, please smash that like button below. Please do comment about what do you think about My DeFi Pet. Okay, and that is it. And I'll see you on the next My DeFi Pet video. Bye.